The question says find the missing character. Then you are given two triangles with some figures written around it, and then you are given the third triangle with some figures and a question mark. So you have to find out the value of this. Such type of questions are very common in Olympiads, and for solving those you need to have certain practice and a certain logical bent of mind. So you see over here, we should be able to understand that certain combination of these numbers 9, 5 and 2 should result in the number which is inside the triangle 45. Certain operations are to be done on the numbers outside the triangle which will result in the number inside the triangle. The same analogy will be followed over here, and we have to apply the same rule in the third triangle and find out the value of question mark. So this is the main motto of this question. So we have got 9, 5 and 2. If you look carefully, then you will find, just first of all we have to do some type of trial method. Let us multiply. So you can see 9 5s are 45, 45 2s are 90, and then we observe that half of 90 is 45, which is the number inside the triangle. So this we have checked for this particular triangle. Let us see if this same rule is followed by the numbers for the second triangle. So here again we will multiply 12 into 3 into 4, the numbers outside the or around the triangle, which is equal to 4 3s are 12, 12 12s are 144. Now let us divide this 144 by 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Yes. So we see that the result is 72, which is inside the second triangle. So now we are confirmed that the same rule will apply for the third triangle. Let us do that. 8 into 6 into 5, multiply the numbers around the triangle. 6 8s are 48, or you can do it from here. 5 6s are 30, 30 into 8, 8 3s are 24 and 1 0. So 240 divided by 2 is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 0. So the answer is 120, which is option A. So option A is the right answer. I hope you have understood. Thank you. Keep solving with Decode Monk.